Hi guys, welcome to Car Click 101. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the key battery of an ISUZU Dmax passive entry system. You should replace the battery as soon as the range of the remote is reduced. You're just gonna need a flathead screwdriver and a piece of cloth. First, we're gonna remove the mechanical key inside. You see the lever here, just slide it to the left. Then pull out the key. Then when the key is removed, get your flathead screwdriver and cloth. Wrap the tip of the flathead screwdriver to protect the remote from damage or scratch. You see the ISUZU label, position it upright, then there's a small rectangle at the bottom. This is where you insert the screwdriver. Now when the screwdriver is inserted, pry it out. Then there it is, the remote is open. You see the QR code here. This is the key serial number. Remove the battery. The battery model is CR2032, the voltage is 3 volts. I will put a link in the description below. You should replace it with the same model. Be careful not to bend the electrode when placing a new battery. Then insert a new battery. Before closing the cover, check if there is any dust, hair, or dirt caught underneath. Clean it first, then return the cover, then put the mechanical key inside. Then after that, I put a Shield Protectant to make it look more clean and bright. Just spray a little amount on the microfiber towel, then wipe the key. And look at that, it's more shiny and cleaner now. If this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to be updated on my car videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, just put a comment below.